Today I'm going to make Gourd Chutney. For that, the ingredients I'm going to say. This gourd will be made into pieces and chopped ginger garlic and chopped green chili, one onion and two tomatoes. They will be chopped after a few minutes, and everything I will fry in oil. First I keep the tawa. After the tawa will get heated, I'll pour oil. Then there's urad dal I will put and fry. After it becomes brownish in color, I will add the above chopped vegetables as I told you just before. Yes, the ridge gourd is chopped, the onion and the tomato or chopped, ginger garlic, green chili, everything is chopped. The secret ingredient I am going to show now. That is nothing but curry leaves and coriander leaves. After this, I will put all the chopped vegetables with salt. I am stirring the chopped vegetables for making Gourd chutney. This is very, very good for our health. Gourd is very, very good for our health. All vegetables are good for our health generally. So after fried, I'll make it cool. Then I'll grind it in the mixie. I'm going to add after this. Then I'll grind it in the mixie. I added the required salt, which makes the onion and the tomatoes to become melt. Easily they will become melt. Mash. Now the Gourd chutney is ready. In fact, it gives more tasty because of added ginger, garlic, coriander leaves and coriander leaves and curry leaves, and moreover everything, all vegetables. Our mind becomes peaceful because everything is giving good for our health. We feel means really it's a happy one.